My skid steer doesn't start, and I'm pushing snow with an excavator. A little scary, it's slippery, feels like top heavy. Every time I go to push it or whatever, I feel like I'm falling down the hill, but it's getting the job done. Excavator, not a great, snow removal thing, but hell of a lot better than shoveling this like 2-foot thing of snow by hand. Took me about 10 minutes still. Like I almost felt like I was gonna slip down this bank here. Trying to stay back a little bit from this one. Hopefully I don't flip this thing, but it took me about an hour to shovel all this into a pile just so I could park my car last night.